Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to MessageBird, beginner guide step by step clearly. Type in the MessageBird website URL in the address bar. Once the site loads, look for the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input a valid email address that you can access. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the specified security criteria. After entering the required information, click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from MessageBird. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the MessageBird website. You may be asked to provide additional details like your name and company. Fill in the required fields and click on Continue. You may also need to provide your phone number for additional security measures. Enter your phone number and confirm it with a verification code if prompted. Once all information is filled out, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Now, click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will be taken to your new MessageBird dashboard. Take a moment to explore the platform and its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.